Well, I picked up this 49 Plymouth from a guy in Muskegon here. It was in a shoe store in the Heights. Restored it all, put a little Buick V8 in it. Worked with my dad for a lot of years. He was always into cars. So I just carried on the tradition. He passed away and I found an old steering wheel that he had in the garage and I put it in here, so he rides with me all the time. So it's just a lot of fun. My whole family's into it.
Okay,
Your turn.
well, the guy you just talked to was the one that painted my car. My son had it for a few years, and well, he's raising a family, so he's got to have some money. So I bought it up from him, and I put some money into it, and had Don there paint it for me, and I've been cruising the highways ever since.
Have you taken it just to shows, or you just take it and just drive it around?
I drive it around a little bit, but mostly just to shows. Have a lot of fun with it.
How many shows you been to?
Oh, more than I can count.
Okay, so this one's yours, right over here, huh?
Yep.
So who did the engine work?
Me.
That was you, huh?
Oh, yeah.
You're the mechanic, so
Well, I'm the mechanic.
you're the mechanic, he's the painter.
Yeah.
So did you do any work on his engine over there? Or?
No.
He did the work on that one too, huh?
Yeah.
So you got the painting and the engine work down.
Yep.
So you got anybody else that comes to you?
Oh yeah, I have done quite a few. I have my wife drives a little Cutlass right here, the convertible. We did that one up for her. My son and daughter, we all got a car for them too. And so it's just a family adventure.
Family adventure.
Yeah.
Expensive family adventure.
It's better than a lot of other things, I guess.
Yeah, I suppose.
Yeah.
All right, thanks a lot, guys.
You bet.